Okay, so to make the viewfinder, you just need a piece of cardstock. Instead of using cardboard, which is really hard to cut, we're going to use cardstock. So it's just thicker paper. Instead of using a ruler to measure, I'm just going to make it easy on you. And I cut out a 3 by 4 inch piece of chipboard. And you're just going to put that on the paper and trace it. You're going to need a pencil and you're going to need a pair of scissors. And that's it. So what you're going to do is try to center. So take your piece of cardstock and this little template. Each table is going to get one template to share. So I have 6 of these little templates. Just pass it around at your table because it only takes a second to do this. You're just going to put it in the middle of your cardstock like that. Just eyeball it to find the middle. Trace around it like that. Once you're done tracing around it, pass it to the next person at your table. See how quick that was? And then the next person will trace it and then keep passing it around until everyone has traced it at their table. Put your name and period on there, okay, with your pencil. And then you can either poke through, so you can poke carefully like that through without hurting yourself on the other side. Or the other way that you could do this is without folding the paper completely, you can just kind of pinch like this. See how I'm not folding the paper completely, it's just bent, and you can create a snip like that and then open it back up so it's not folded, right? And then you just use that hole or that slit and you go to the corner like this, and then you go to the corner like that, right? And then you can lift this up and you can cut on the line.
Oh, it's different.
Okay, I'm cutting carefully so that I'm not like making this line jagged or wonky. Like you really want to cut on the line. I'm going to do another slit to the corner right here like that. And then I've got this section where I can cut on the line nicely like that. Okay. Then one more little slit to cut here to this corner. And then I'm going to cut here. And then last one to cut, and then I'll be done. Okay, viewfinder's done. Super easy and quick, okay? And then you're gonna, with your name and period on it, you're gonna be practicing using it. While you guys are practicing using it, like looking at different things around the room, you can see what it's like to look through the viewfinder with both eyes open versus one eye squinted. And you can see the difference between your right eye squinted versus your left eye squinted, right? I want you to practice using it with eyes open, right eye squinted, left eye squinted, see how it feels and what works best for you. For me, it works best with my right eye squinted, but for you, it might be something else, okay? So just practice using it. And while you guys are practicing using your viewfinder, I'll be coming around passing things out for you to put inside your portfolio that have already been graded. And then your project, your big project, the 4-layer project is gonna be for you to take home. It's too big for your portfolio, okay? All right, so you guys need a piece of cardstock, a pair of scissors, and a pencil. And then I'm going to put one of these on each table, okay?